Hello, hi all of you. Welcome to my channel Train Your Brain. Today we will teach something new on your desktop. First of all, click Window plus Insert. Easily show basic information about your computer on your desktop screen. And then next, open your another program. If you want to full screen, click Window plus up arrow. If you want to work with two programs on your desktop, first of all click Window plus left arrow and open another program. Then click Window plus right arrow. You can easily do your work with two programs. And next, if you want to show keyboard on your desktop, open your search bar, click O S K, enter. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe my channel.